Q8118. Turbine nozzle diaphragms located on the upstream side of each turbine wheel are used in the gas turbine engine to A. Decrease the velocity of the heated gases flowing past this point. B. Direct the flow of gases parallel to the vertical line of the turbine blades. C. Increase the velocity of the heated gases flowing past this point. The correct answer is C. Increasing the velocity of the heated gases flowing through the nozzle diaphragm in a turbojet engine is one of its tasks. A portion of the heat and pressure energy that is used to accelerate this gas is converted into velocity energy, which is then transformed into mechanical energy by the turbine rotor blades. Q8119. Where is the highest gas pressure in a turbojet engine? A. At the outlet of the tailpipe section. B. At the entrance of the turbine section. C. In the entrance of the burner section. The correct answer is C. The compressor outlet of a turbojet engine has the highest gas pressure. The burner section's entry and the compressor outlet are identical. Q8120. An exhaust cone placed aft of the turbine in a jet engine will cause the pressure in the first part of the exhaust duct to A. Increase and the velocity to decrease. B. Increase and the velocity to increase. C. Decrease and the velocity to increase. The correct answer is A. A diverging duct is created by the exhaust cone of a turbojet engine, which raises the pressure and lowers the velocity of the gases leaving the engine. Q8121. What is the function of the stator vane assembly at the discharge end of a typical axial flow compressor? A. To straighten airflow to eliminate turbulence. B. To direct the flow of gases into the combustion chambers. C. To increase air swirling motion into the combustion chambers. The correct answer is A. The stator vane assembly, also known as the stator guide vanes or stator blades, is located after the compressor rotor blades and before the combustion chambers in an axial flow compressor. Its primary purpose is to straighten and guide the airflow exiting the rotor blades. As the high-velocity air passes through the rotating rotor blades, it acquires swirl or rotational motion. The stator vane assembly helps to convert this swirling motion into a more uniform, straight flow. By redirecting the airflow and removing the swirl, the stator vanes straighten the air and reduce turbulence. This straightening function of the stator vane assembly is important for maintaining efficient compressor performance. Turbulence and uneven flow can lead to losses in efficiency and increased drag, reducing the overall performance of the engine. Q8122. The turbine section of a jet engine. A. Increases air velocity to generate thrust forces. B. Utilizes heat energy to expand and accelerate the incoming gas flow. C. Drives the compressor section. The correct answer is C. The turbine section of a jet engine is responsible for driving the compressor section. It is located after the combustion chamber and receives the high-temperature and high-pressure gases produced by the combustion process. The primary function of the turbine section is to extract energy from these gases to power the compressor. The turbine section consists of a series of turbine stages, each comprising a rotor and stationary stator vanes. As the hot gases flow over the turbine blades, they expand and transfer their energy to the turbine rotor, causing it to rotate. The rotational motion of the turbine rotor is transmitted to the compressor section via a shaft, driving the compressor blades and supplying compressed air for combustion.